Hydro International College presents an immersive full-time 3-year National Health and Skincare Diploma course NQF6, meticulously designed to equip you with an extensive toolkit for a confident entry into the dynamic health and skincare industry. Our program also provides an exclusive opportunity to achieve international awards tailored to the nuances of the health and skincare sector. In the first year you will be taught the fundamentals of beauty therapy. You will embark on your journey with a comprehensive curriculum covering essential modules, including facials including skin analysis to identify skin concerns, as well as deep cleansing, tinting and shaping. Waxing including leg, underarm and bikini waxing. Makeup including day makeup, evening makeup, bridal makeup, photographic makeup, traditional style makeup such as American makeup style, Japanese makeup style, wrench makeup style and more. Swedish massage, manicures and pedicures, consultation and business management, deportment, occupational health and safety, body therapy 1, introduction to anatomy, cosmetic science, as well as nutrition 1. In your second year you expand your expertise with advanced modules focusing on specialized treatments. Modules included are facials 2 including specialized treatments such as heat treatments, galvanic, high frequency, vacuum suction, and the brush machine. Body therapy 2 where you will specialize in slimming treatments such as galvanic, ferratic, vacuum suction, G5, and heat lamps. Reflexology foot massage 1. Aromatherapy body massage 1. Stress massage, Lomi massage. Anatomy 2. Business management 2. Nutrition 2. Science and chemistry. And psychology. In the third year you will elevate your craft by diving into a realm of specialization with modules encompassing spa therapies including body wraps, body scrubs, water therapy, dry and wet flotation tanks, Vichy showers, sauna and more. Massages including sports massage, manual lymphatic drainage, reflexology foot massage 2, aromatherapy body massage 2, shiatsu, hot stone massage, infant massage, Thai yoga massage, cupping massage, and Indian head massage. Aesthetic treatments such as dermaplaning, microneedling, chemical peels, microdermabrasion, light therapy including laser hair removal, laser skin renewal, laser varicose vein removal, and UV skin healing light therapy. Permanent makeup where you will learn to do eyeliner and eyebrows including a new shading technique, additional skills including microblading. Acrylic nails including nail art, eyelash extensions, food management, spa business management and many more. The National Health and Skincare Diploma will sculpt you into a therapist above the rest in the industry. The requirements to enter the National Health and Skincare Diploma NQF6 is a matric certificate as well as being over the age of 17. We offer convenient student accommodation for those beyond our campus vicinity, international students or students that don't wish to travel to college every day. Our National Health and Skincare Qualification QF6 opens doors for you to work in prestigious spas and aesthetic clinics worldwide, as well as cruise liners. Registration for the NQF6 course is ongoing. For detailed information, visit our website at www.hydroint.co.za. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to the esteemed ranks of Hydro International College.